guys, this is Taylor here at The Leather Guy. I'm just doing a short little video today to show you guys how to create a finished earring out of the earring blanks we sell, as well as with a couple additional little tools and necessities. So let's get this finished guy out of the way here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your earring blank and you're going to decide where you want to put the hole. For this one in particular, we'll just go right up top here and just do a very simple, straightforward teardrop earring. So what you're going to use is we have this really handy tool called a jewelry punch, or more traditionally known as a deerskin punch. You can find it under either name on our website. And what's nice about it is you actually adjust the size of the hole you need right down here, and this little guy creates a precise little punch right in the leather. So this is the size that works best with the jump rings we're going to be using today. So we're going to go ahead and just lay that right on here, and you can just do a really quick little push, and you can see we've got a nice little hole there. So once you have that, you're going to take one of your jump rings and a pair of jewelry pliers. So you'll see there's a little seam in there, and all you need to do is just give it a little twist big enough that you can fit it right through the leather. So we're just going to feed it right through the hole there. You can see that's through, and while you have it open, we're going to go ahead and take our finding, our ear hook here, and also hook it right on there. Once those are both in, you're just going to take that jump ring, bend it right back so it's nice and closed, and there you go. You've got a finished earring. Easy peasy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how, instead of doing a teardrop, if you wanted to do a folded style and have a little bit more of a shape in your earring here. So what you're going to do is, where you're pinching is where you are going to want to put that jump ring, because that is going to be where it's going to hold that together best. So let's say we like it right there. So I'm going to pinch right there. We're going to take our punch and we're going to give it a good push. Awesome. So now we're just going to give it another little punch here, now that we can see where we've marked, just to make it a little bit clearer. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our jump ring, so we have one open and ready to go here, and we're going to run it through the leather, then fold it over and run it through that second hole there. Then we're going to take our ear hook here, turn it the right way, and then all you do is take that jump ring, bend it right back where you want it to be so it's nice and closed, and then you are good to go. You've created a little bit more of a dimensional piece there out of the same shape that we were working with earlier. So that's two options that you can do with the exact same earring. And this one has a little bit more of a three-dimensional look to it, where this one's just a nice classic teardrop.